Hey everybody, what's up? Mike here with FluffeyHD. Now today I've got a very nice tutorial for you. This is how to double to triple your rendering speed in Sony Vegas Pro. Only 11, does not work in any other version, so make sure you have Sony Vegas Pro 11 in one click. So all you guys gotta do, well, in a couple clicks technically, but one click, we're gonna say one click. All you guys gotta do is go over to options up here, go over to preferences, down to preferences, and go to the video tab, and right here, GPU acceleration of video processing, it should be defaulted to off. Now if you click it and there's nothing down here, this could be one of two reasons. One, your card could be unsupported, or two, you don't have the correct drivers. For me, I didn't see it last time. It was because mine was unsupported. So here's AMD, my card, it's supported. So all I had to do is update the drivers. Now guys, here's the cards that are supported for video processing and for rendering. For Nvidia, you're going to need the Nvidia Driver 270.0XX or whatever, or later, with a GeForce GTX 4XX series or newer GPU, so GeForce GTX 4 blank blank or over. For ATI, you're going to want to have a AMD Radeon Catalyst Driver 11.7 or later with an AMD Radeon, however you pronounce that, HD 570 or later or newer. So mine's 6450, so it beats that by a lot. And for AMD Fire Pro GPU, you should have an 8.85 or newer. Now, guys, I didn't think my card was supported. All you got to do, really, guys, is go and search it up. So AMD Radeon. 6450 OpenCL. So just search your graphics card and then search OpenCL, and you'll see mine supports OpenCL. So that's how easy it is for me. And then I was like, what's wrong? So I searched my graphics card, and I just searched AMD Radeon HD 6450 drivers, and it led me to a page right here, and the AMD website, where I could simply go to support, and it hasn't automatically detect and install the right driver. Amazing. So that's all you really got to do. That's amazing, guys. I will have these links in the description. For this, you don't even need to go to your page. You can just use this. Links will be in the description to upgrade yours if you guys got it. And I hope you enjoyed this short tutorial on how to double or over double, which like triple, quadruple, depending your render speed. For me, it's amazing. So guys, this was like my shortest tutorial yet. Please like and favorite. This has been Mike. Peace.